Even as children shaping our first creations in the sand, we were driven by a curiosity to form and transform. That early spark evolved into a lasting desire to push boundaries. This ambition to create extraordinary forms drives us to peak creative performance to this day. And now we have our newest toy with almost endless possibilities and options. Curious? Curious how Reischauer continues to set the benchmark in powder technology? Curious how our latest development once again pushes the limits of what's physically possible? Then don't miss the technical forum on January 28th in Berlin. We'll see you there.
For those who don't know me yet, my name is Thomas Koeninger and I'm the managing director now of Reischauer since almost a year. Company Reischauer, part of HM Precious Metals. Today I would like to talk to you about powder technology 2.0, the next generation, and how Reischauer accepts once again the challenge to set the benchmark in the powder technology. To give you an insight, I will guide you through the following agenda, and allow me a remark now. I understand why I'm at the end of this vlog, catching up almost every subject which was mentioned earlier, so such like mentioned by Maya and Ludger, the shape, the powder technology, and even the description of design is part of mine. So I try to wrap up all of your subjects. So creativity has always been one of the key strengths of Team Reischauer, if not the key strengths. And this is nothing completely new. As you can see, it has been part of our mindset from a very early age on. And by the way, guess who you see at the screen? Creativity is a main part of our DNA. Every day, it drives us to develop new successful projects for our customers and partners, especially in an increasingly challenging market environment. So what has been and still is our day-to-day challenge? What is the market demanding? Many of these challenges can be illustrated perfectly with the example of a traditional Black Forest pom-pom hat which I brought with me today. The Black Forest is not only my personal home, but also this region is the headquarters of HM's company. We are located at the gate of the Black Forest. First of all, the trend clearly goes to even higher relief heights. At the same time, complex and special shapes are becoming standard requirements. Just look at the pom-pom themselves and their maximum achievable height. This represents the transition from flat 2D design to a truly tangible 3D object. And in addition, for obvious cost reasons, we are constantly exploring alternative and new alloys. And finally, we see a growing demand for new metals to further expand our product portfolio. Cut a long story short, we were challenged, and yes, we are accepting this challenge. But before we are going deeper into forms and shapes, I'd like to briefly introduce to you the HM Precious Metals minting division, or rather the family that Reischauer is proudly part of since now almost 2 years. At the center of family is our strong mother, HM. And isn't it that case what we all know very well from our home? And following an unwritten law, every family has an uncle in America. In our case, we are talking about the oldest private mint in the United States, namely the Osborne coinage. In Madrid, we have our powerful and dynamic brother, Semsa, and our well-known and highly respected cousin is the Royal Dutch Mint. And finally, in Birmingham, you will find both our creative and innovative sister and technically brilliant cousin and aunt, namely the Commonwealth and the company TechWave. At Reischauer, with around 75 employees and more than 100 years of history, we stand for traditional craftsmanship, applied in a modern and inventive way. A highly specialized design department capable of turning any idea into a vivid 3D design full of emotions. Complete in-house production, from design and tool making to blanks production, doesn't matter if you're talking about casting or powder, minting, surface finishing, plating, and packaging. Such a broad scope and portfolio requires a highly qualified and motivated team. And that's exactly what we have in Ida Oberstein. Employees are with us for easily 25 to 30 years or more. This is the rule and not the exception. And by the way, which doesn't mean that automatically I need to continue until the age of 80, hopefully. Reischauer is a boutique approach. No standard solutions. Every customer request is handled individually. But I've talked now long enough about who we are. Let's talk about technology. To understand powder technology, it's enough to focus and talk about just three key terms. First is the atomizing. Second is forming and pressing, or respectively pressing. And third one is the sintering. These are the essential process steps to be understood. The process starts with atomizing. The metal is melted in a crucible, similar to any classical casting process, and then drips through a valve into the atomizing chamber. There, the molten metal is blasted with high-pressure water. The process takes place mainly in the circled area. What happens within this part you can see now in the video right-hand side from your side. The video shows the atomizing in action. Despite the name, we are not breaking the metal down into individual atoms. Typical particle sizes range between a particle size of approximately 20 to 150 micrometers max. There's also an alternative and respectively very similar process using high-pressure air instead of water. While there are differences in efficiency and particle shape, for standard coinage products this has no relevant impact on the final result at all. In the next step, the dried and sieved powder is filled into a press mold and compressed at around 100 bars. Here you see the serial production of standard blanks, which can be later used like any conventional blanks, but with much better mendability in terms of relief and forming. And by the way, having said this means a much lower consumption of dyes. When the requirement goes to high relief or other special forms, we use pre-profiled dyes during the pressing process, which is then very similar and comparable to a classical minting process. Thanks to the powder technology, there are almost virtually no limits in terms of shapes, sizes, or heights. The final step which you need to remember is the sintering. This is a thermal designification process carried out below the metal's actual melting point. During sintering, the blanks shrink slightly, becoming compact and highly dense, and any remaining porosity is closed. With proper execution, these dimensional changes can be calculated very accurate with less than 0.001 millimeters of deviation. Now let's move to our latest achievement, to our brand new system, Powder Technology 2.0. This system is a result of a close collaboration between Indotherm and Reischauer, a partnership that has already been successfully in operation for more than 5 years. Starting in 2020, experts from both companies worked together in several workshops, building a shared understanding of the requirements of powder technology in the minting industry and enhancing the concept. This led to the development of a prototype, which was designed, built and brought to production readiness over a period of approximately 15 to 18 months. Since the beginning of this year, we are proud to announce that the series production has officially started. The system will be operated exclusively at Reischauer for an extended time period. So what exactly have we achieved when installing and commissioning the new system? What are the advantages of the new system? Significantly higher pressure during the atomizing process, much higher temperature limits, a wider range of processable metals, and improved efficiency thanks to a tighter grain size distribution. To be more precise, what does that mean in numbers and figures? Pressure is increased from a standard of approximately 250 bar now up to 500 bar. The maximum achievable temperature is increased from around 1500 degrees now to more than 2100 degrees. Having in mind the physical properties of several metals, this leads to an expansion of the portfolio, This allows us now to include platinum and platin easily. Another advantage of the new system is the opportunity to equalize the pressure during emptying the crucible, thus resulting in better particle size control and higher efficiency, combined with a nice side effect of saving energy as follows. So, let's summarize. Have we not only accepted the challenge we presented at the beginning, but also fulfilled? So let's recap. Unlimited apparent relief heights, our Black Forest girl, here now ending up in a medal, shows a clear answer. No restrictions in shape or size. The shown examples are speaking for themselves. An expanded product portfolio, higher temperature, allows us to process metals that were previously out of any range. And all of this shows that Reischauer once again lives up to its claim of leadership in powder technology. So we can consider the mission as accomplished.